Hey there, what if I told you that your lake dock could be slowly failing right now, and the damage might be happening where you can't even see it? Every year, lakefront property owners spend thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars repairing docks that appeared perfectly fine from above the waterline. The scary part, most of these failures start with hidden corrosion. Today we're going underwater to reveal the corrosion problem that could be destroying lake docks across North America, how to spot it early, and what you can do to protect your investment. When most dock owners inspect their dock, they look at what they can see, the appearance of the structure. But corrosion doesn't usually start there. It starts below the surface. Over time, these elements begin to break down, and because the damage occurs underwater, many owners never realize there's a problem until something suddenly fails. And other support hardware are constantly exposed to moisture, oxygen, minerals, and changing water conditions. Let's simplify what's happening. Corrosion is essentially metal returning to its natural state. When metal is exposed to water and oxygen, a chemical reaction begins. On many lakes, additional factors accelerate this process. Mineral-rich water, fluctuating water levels, electrolysis from nearby electrical systems, stray current from faulty wiring, different metals touching each other, and seasonal freeze-thaw cycles. One of the most dangerous forms is galvanic corrosion. Critical dock components can weaken long before their expected lifetime. The good news is corrosion usually leaves clues. Watch for these warning signs. Rust staining around hardware, white powdery buildup on galvanized components, loose connections, wobbling sections, pitting in metal surfaces, missing galvanized coating, cracked welds, unexpected movement when walking on the dock. If you notice any of these issues, don't ignore them. What looks like a minor surface corrosion may indicate significant deterioration below the waterline. Many property owners delay inspections because everything appears stable on the surface. Unfortunately, corrosion doesn't stop on its own. A small problem today can become a major repair next season. We've seen situations where dock legs collapse unexpectedly, boat lift systems failed, walkways shifted, structural supports weakened, entire dock sections required replacement. What could have been a few $100s in preventative maintenance often turns into thousands in reconstruction costs. And in severe cases, structural failure can create safety risks for family members and guests. The best defense is proactive inspection and maintenance. At the minimum, inspect visible hardware annually. Check all welds and brackets. Look for signs of rust or coating failure. Have underwater components inspected periodically. Replace damaged hardware before it affects structural members. Verify electrical systems are properly grounded. Use corrosion-resistant materials whenever possible. Remember, the most expensive corrosion damage is usually the damage you don't see right away. A simple inspection today could save you from a major repair tomorrow. So you should get your dock inspection checklist now free from our website. If you own lakefront property, protecting your dock means protecting one of your biggest investments and protecting your family. Have you noticed corrosion issues on your dock? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you like this video, learn anything from it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to get your free download.